murag iguan na. Sakto na iguan.
So,
Pose.
Kuya Jeannie and Ate Judith, our driver for today,
Jennifer.
Kuya Jennifer.
Jennifer. O nalagyan ni kaon diri.
Napitay ko ang kaon. That's Kuya Jennifer.
So nila ni ato. Sana Rodi.
And Ate Judith.
Di ako kailan Judith.
So, tigyan din.
And this is the wife of Jose Jennifer. Okay, pag Jennifer ka babae man, Jose. Judith Ignos. Our cook. Best cook.
Chief cook.
Daraday. Nanawag na niyo.
Wala gilok eh. Nice kay road diri no kay kuan kay
Roller coaster.
so nice kay ba. This is I really like to to pass this way because not too traffic. So hello guys, we are here now at Dakit na. So I'll join for these groups. Cebu Roosevelt Memorial College High School batch 1987-1988. I'm here again because I'm here in Lugu, and then this group, Maritir and Mildred and their batch, like Maritir and Mildred wants me to join with this because it's nice to help guys, right? So yeah, I really like that every year. This is the second year like to join to them, to help to help to give this sacks of rice, 5 kilos in every sacks. So there's these girls very gorgeous. They're such a nice because they're trying help people who need it. I am here again guys to join this batch. So we are here now in Dakit in Lugu. So every year the sharing their bless comes from God. So every year they give sacks of rice, like in every sack is 5 kilos. So these people they wait for the sacks of rice letter. Ayan guys, nandito na naman tayo guys. So pangalawang na to sa akin na nag-join sa kanila kasi gusto ng some of the members here like Mildred and Beverly that every time that I come here in Lugu, so I can join with this. Okay guys, so nice to have, right? Sharing the people who need it. So this people, they share their bless. It's nice to help. This is the rice that they can share to the people who need it, guys. Like, so they're waiting for this. So later, guys, they can share. So not just only rice, like groceries, water, and that's Maritir, and that's Mildred, and that they're the batch. Yeah, that's Maritir. So very, very gorgeous. So that's the captain. Hello. So sweet, very gorgeous guy, very beautiful guy. Yung mga kanang trying to help the fortunate people. So that's the captain. Every year he trying also to help people, the fortunate. So nice, no? And that the man who opened the box, he's a captain. So, yeah. Captain in the ship. Yep. So we are here in the basketball court in Dakat. Hi, Mildred. Tor. She's announcer for today. Just a lot of sacks of rice, but only in every sacks like 5 kilos. And they have water here. And they have, So before they give the Christmas gift, guys, so they have a games. Yes, like that. The green team was the winner. So they have a lot of fun here, guys. And they have a games before they give the Christmas gift. Yan. Meron silang mga games, guys. So, dami kaya nag-join ng games. Ayan. Bago nila ibigay yung bigas, food, groceries, nagpapanalo pa sila bago sila magbigay ng gifts. So that's Maritir and the MC is Mildred.